breathtaking scale of our golden pineapple plantations, where nature's bounty thrives under the sun. Skilled hands carefully select the perfect golden pineapples, ready for their journey. Harvested pineapples begin their journey on an advanced field conveyor system. Automated systems efficiently load thousands of golden pineapples, preparing them for their journey. Precision and automation guide each pineapple through the initial stages of processing. The journey begins as golden pineapples enter the colossal, multi-stage washing flume. Enormous rotating brushes meticulously scrub every curve, ensuring thorough cleansing. The immense scale of this automated cleaning process ensures peak hygiene and efficiency. Finally, the thoroughly washed pineapples emerge, gleaming and ready for the next stage of processing. Precision optical scanners analyze each pineapple, identifying imperfections and ripeness instantly. AI-driven robotic arms swiftly sort each pineapple by size, color, and ripeness with unmatched speed. So pineapples zoom along dedicated channels, ready for the next stage of processing. Precision machinery expertly prepares each golden pineapple, initiating its transformation. The D-crowned pineapples swiftly advance, ready for the next phase of meticulous processing. Colossal Jinica machines revolutionize pineapple processing with precision and speed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. A symphony of steel, these machines transform thousands of pineapples daily. Automated water channels transport pineapple cylinders to the colossal slicing and dicing machines. Whirring blades dice golden pineapples into perfect, uniform chunks with incredible speed and precision. High-speed slicers transform pineapple cylinders into uniformly perfect, glistening rings. From dicing to slicing, these colossal machines embody the future of food production. The continuous flow of diced and sliced pineapple moves seamlessly towards the next stage. The journey continues as perfectly processed pineapple moves to its next destination. Precision cutting reveals the golden heart of the pineapple, ready for meticulous inspection. Advanced sensors and cameras tirelessly scan each pineapple piece, guaranteeing unparalleled quality. The continuous flow of perfect golden rings highlights the seamless efficiency of modern production. American workers provide the essential human touch, collaborating with advanced technology. From cutting to inspection, every step is optimized for peak freshness and flavor. Each perfectly inspected piece is now ready for packaging, guaranteeing premium freshness. Witness the impressive scale of modern pineapple canning, a marvel of engineering precision. Each can is filled with exact precision, ensuring perfect quality and weight. Golden pineapple, meticulously prepared, now takes its place in sterile packaging. Advanced technology ensures every step of the canning process is flawless. From farm to can, a journey of quality and innovation unfolds. This automated ballet of precision guarantees the finest pineapple reaches consumers worldwide. Precision filling ensures each can receive the perfect amount of syrup or juice. Soon these cans will be hermetically sealed, preserving freshness. The cans seamlessly merge into the high-speed sealing mechanism. In a fraction of a second, the hermetic seal is flawlessly created. Automated systems meticulously inspect each can for quality. Freshly cut golden pineapple pieces begin their journey into the powerful screw presses. A steady flow of pineapple pieces disappears into the colossal presses. Pure golden pineapple juice, rich and vibrant, begins to emerge from the press. The freshly extracted pure golden pineapple juice flows into gleaming stainless steel pipes. Advanced control systems meticulously monitor the juice flow and quality. Pressure gauges confirm the consistent, powerful movement of juice through the network.
Adjusting flow rate to 75%.
System confirms. Adjustment complete.
The pure, golden pineapple juice curves gracefully through a monumental pipe bend, onward to purification. The pure, golden pineapple juice exhibits sheer consistency, ready for further refinement. Ensuring product perfection, the quality control expert meticulously monitors every stage of production. Precision tools ensure every can meets the highest standards for safety and freshness. State-of-the-art labs and expert personnel guarantee the consistent excellence of every product. Colossal sterilizers ensure every can of golden pineapple meets the highest safety standards. From a futuristic control room, technicians meticulously oversee every critical parameter. Within the pressurized steam, cans undergo precise sterilization, ensuring product integrity. With precision, technicians fine-tune settings, ensuring optimal sterilization cycles.
For the golden pineapple run.
Emerging pristine, each can is perfectly sterilized and ready for the next stage. Advanced technology and human expertise combine for unparalleled quality control.
Golden Pineapple Line operating at peak efficiency.
Sterilized cans emerge, glistening and hot, ready for the crucial cooling stage. Through precision engineering, each can is uniformly cooled, preserving peak quality. Perfectly cooled, the golden pineapple cans now advance to the final packaging stage. Precision machinery ensures every can receives its perfect golden pineapple identity. A blur of motion transforms plain cans into iconic golden pineapple products. Thousands of vibrant labels are prepared, ready to adorn each can. Precision robotics ensure every golden pineapple product is perfectly packed and ready for its journey. Each can is swiftly and accurately positioned, a testament to automated efficiency. Automated sealing ensures every package is secure and tamper-proof. Ready for global markets, these cases represent quality and efficiency from farm to table. Advanced AGVs silently transport the golden pineapple to its final storage. Towering racks fill, a testament to efficiency and scale. The expert ensures every golden pineapple meets the highest standards.